All three of the programs that we offer in the School of Engineering, Computing, and Construction Management are accredited by outside agencies. In all three cases, there are very clear student outcomes which are imposed by the accrediting agencies, which to a large degree dictate the curriculum and the expectations for our graduates. We have very clear standards that we are trying to achieve, both with our students when they graduate and how they perform 3 to 5 years afterwards.
The professors that they're bringing in are all industry professionals, so they're trying to integrate their work with the program. So we're going out on site visits, they're telling us about their actual jobs. So it's hands-on experience within the industry. My professors were the ones that helped me a lot of the time find my internships and find my jobs. One of my professors I worked really closely in and out of the classroom with, he was actually the one who helped me get in my job at Chalmette. He was one of my recommendations, and I really owe a lot to them for my success. I think a lot of the balance too between the in and the out of the classroom that we're provided here, you're able to do things outside. It's not just like you're learning, you're getting involved and you're getting to do all sorts of other things, and the combination of the two really help prepare you for the outside world.
Our curriculum has a great experiential learning component. That includes the laboratories, which are integrated from the first semester all the way through the 8th semester, but it also includes the projects which are incorporated into non-laboratory courses.
What we've designed is an insole with sensors that will measure how much force someone is putting on their injured limb, and it will alert the patient when they've exceeded their prescribed limit.
It's important for healing that the bone gets a load or a stress, but it's also important that the bone doesn't get too much stress. As a therapist, I can kind of do that in my clinic. I can do that while I'm with the patient, but I have no way of knowing that they're going to follow through with those rules.
Roger Williams does a really good job of preparing us by having us do these group projects, thinking about the real life constraints. When we're doing homeworks or projects, a lot of times it's theoretical, but for this, we had physical restraints that we had to work around.
When we graduate and we go into the workforce, we're not just going to be having these handwritten calculations that we pass into our teacher that kind of go away. It's something that a customer or consumer is going to be using. Our client, the physical therapist, really wants to use this in our clinic. So we have a real life product that we're able to send out the door at Roger Williams.
We listen to what the companies that hire our students say. If our graduates go out and get jobs, and they do, and they are successful as young professionals in their organizations, then we're doing the right thing. And how do I know that? Because the companies keep coming back year after year and hiring our graduates.
Folks from Roger Williams who have come here and work here really have fit in so well. Really smart, bright students and graduates, but also practical, thoughtful, and really well equipped to join the working world, particularly in construction, which is an intense business.
From day one was a very, very good balance of both work and hands-on. All the professors, it's clear that they have all worked in the industry, they know what they're talking about. You get to kind of see the holistic picture of what actually happens in the real world.
The curricular part of the Methods and Materials course and the Advanced Methods and Materials course and the two laboratories which accompany those two courses has evolved considerably over the last 5 years in response to what we see as feedback from alumni as well as our advisory board members about the current needs of the industry and what they need in graduates to go out and hit the ground running.